Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the new NJ gas stove. The model NGB-400 has a stainless steel housing and 4 burners, 1 double ring burner which you would need the brass cap for, and you won't find that in the box with the instruction manual, and you place it like that. 2 single burners and 1 small burner. It also has an automatic piezo ignition, which means that you don't need a match or a lighter to light the burner up. The pan supports can be adjusted in order to use different sizes of cooking ware and wok pans. You would have to place the gas cooker on a firm, steady surface, so it would not have any movement. This will ensure that the cooker will be working properly and you will be using it safely. For the pan supports, you just take them and place them firmly and steadily on the cooker without any movement, as you can see. These are the 3 adjustable pan supports, and the 4th pan support is not adjustable and it is for the small burner. You won't be able to place it anywhere else as the size won't fit. The adjustable pan support, the function of it is basically you can use larger or smaller pots. So if you have a smaller pot and the pan support is like that, the pot won't be sitting properly, as you can see. In order to resolve this, you can push inwards the adjustable parts and then you can place it safely. The other function that the pan support has is for wok pans. What you need to do is just turn the adjustable parts upwards and then you can place a big wok pan. Once you have fully assembled the appliance, now you have to connect it to the gas supply. You can do that by using a gas bottle for LPG, which is propane-butane mix, with compatible gas regulator and a flexible rubber hose. This appliance is manufactured to be used outdoors only, as it does not have a safety device. When you have safely connected the cooker to the gas supply, then you can start using it. All you have to do is just press and turn anti-clockwise the knob until you hear a clicking sound. This is the piezo ignition. This is the correct combustion of the appliance. This means that the mixture of air and gas is adequate and the flame is blue. If for any reason this gets disadjusted, you can, as you can see now, you can adjust the flame again by placing your hand underneath the hob and just twisting the air dampers left to right until you get the blue flame. You can find the air dampers for adjusting the air underneath the cooker, in the middle of the burner, in the beginning, of the burner. And as you can see, they can be adjusted in order to get more air or less air.